I already finally got my Predator laptop. I can't wait to open it. So let's see what's inside. Okay, first I wanna open this bag because it's much easier. This is a Predator Helios 200 made by Acer. So let's open this thing. I'm just gonna slowly place it down, cut this thing, and I'm just gonna open it, the box. I hope it's the right way to open the thing. You can't open this box, so you need to slide in. Take this thing off, you don't really need them. Just gonna get this out of the way. Beautiful. Look at this. Wow. My laptop is inside this thing. Whoa. Gotta be careful that glass. Anything else? Yep. There's some stuff here. Acer's products promoting their other laptops. And there's some long rectangle box in here. Okay, nothing else is in here. I'm just gonna take this out of the way. So what's in this thing? Just some books they want us to read. Nothing else. And this, probably the cables. Yep. Okay, two separate pieces of cables. Take this out. Okay. So I'm just pause. This is basically a setup guide, pretty straightforward here, step by step with the first page and the back page. And this is a quick guide. And for you experienced gamers, you probably just skip these steps. So I'm just gonna put this back, nice and neat, and put this stuff away like here. So now it's the actual laptop opening box. So I'm just gonna let you guys see. There. I'm gonna open this before. You guys will see this before me, so I'm just gonna open it like this. I'm just gonna look at it. There, you can see that's the laptop. So I'm just gonna look at it right now. Wow, look at that. Brand new. Okay, how do I take this out? Okay, need to be careful. Okay. Yep. So this is box. Yep. Quick. Right. Yeah. Okay. I need to take this plastic off. As you see, there's a cellophane plastic here which tells you how to take this thing out. There's an arrow pointing down, so I'm not sure. Or you lift this thing up and put it downwards and okay. Wow, look at the textures of this laptop. So take this out and let's open it. Wait. I'm gonna open this now. Whoops. There's a note here. It says must read. Your notebook tablet is plugged into a AC power supply to activate the battery before you turn it on for the first time. So you must plug it in. The first time startup and setup for your operation system may take up to 30 minutes. Please be patient during this process to ensure that your notebook tablet functions normally. Do not power off your notebook tablet during the startup process. This is very important, you must follow. Okay, so I also have to follow this. Just gonna plug them in, taking this out. So this is the power adapter for your laptop. and there's a plug in there that you need to use this to plug in. You just open this thing there, just unlock this thing, so which was this, then a bit of a puzzle here that you need to connect, which everybody can do. There. Now I need to connect this on my laptop. Now it's connected. So it is charged now. Okay, now I'm back, guys. The computer is fully charged and I already set up my computer. When your computer has opened, first thing you need to do is get an antivirus, because when you go on the web browsers, you don't want your computer to get some virus or stuff up. And that's it for today. See ya guys in the next video. Bye.